Hey guys, thanks for watching. Today we are going to show you a 2015 Ford Falcon Miami 5-litre V8. It has been fitted with a Street Fighter snout upgrade and a 57mm pulley, along with a Street Fighter water-to-air intercooler. The exhaust is a DIFILPO 4-into-1 headers with a twin MANTA 3-inch catback. The fuel system is a Street Fighter twin pump module with 1000cc injectors and a Pirotta Performance Flex fuel kit. It has an extreme heavy duty clutch and a Ford Racing twin disc throttle body. We're going to use PCMtec to tune this vehicle, including flex fuel and multi-tunes. So we're just up here in Murray Bridge at DJ Auto Repairs. They've given us a ring. We do a lot of their tuning, but we've just come up here to get their FGX running so they can drive down for the custom dyno tune. We're just riding this flush with PCMtec in an FGX Falcon. They've just fitted new injectors and we've just put the injector data in, see if we can get the car started for them to bring it down for custom tuning. So we've just got the injector data in, the car fires up and idles beautifully now. This one here's had the full Street Fighter package, snout upgrade, water to air intercooler, twin throttle body, twin fuel pump module, 1000cc injectors. We're just waiting on the flex fuel kit now from Pirotta Performance, and when this is all done we'll be using the PCMtec to do the full flex tune, high and low 98, so it should make some serious power. We're aiming for about 500 wheel kilowatts. We have just finished tuning the vehicle on pump 98. We're running around 13 psi of boost and the intake temps are sitting around 40 degrees C. The throttle on the Miami V8's only opens to about 63 degrees from factory. We're going to let it go to 80 degrees and see if we can gain some more horsepower and boost. Hey guys, we've just enabled our multi-tunes through PCMtec. So we've got 4 full tunes functioning with our full flex fuel. We have finished our dyno tune now with both pump 98 and flex fuel, along with 4 variations for different conditions. We are now going to tune the traction control, launch control, and the flat foot shifting. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to see some of the on-track footage once the roll racing starts again.